Emirates have configured their A380s with 3 classes. First class, with its 14 private suites, is at the front of the upper deck. Passengers enjoy 1,200 channels of digital entertainment. Of course, there's a minibar to hand for soft drinks, and something stronger is only a press of a button on the interactive controller away. There's plenty of room in the suite, and the wide leather chairs convert into a fully flat bed at the touch of a button. A stairway at the front of the cabin leads down to the lower deck. The first-class self-service bar is at the top of the stairway. The rear of the upper deck is occupied by the 2 business-class cabins, seating a total of 76 passengers. Compared to other aircraft on which I've flown, the interior of the A380 is very quiet. This is particularly noticeable when the engines spool up for takeoff. It also makes conversation very easy during the flight. Although not quite as sumptuous as the first-class suites, all business-class passengers have direct access to the aisles, their own minibar, widescreen TV, and a lie-flat bed. As in first class, a touchscreen Wi-Fi controller is used to adjust the seat and to select from the channels on Emirates ICE Information Communications and Entertainment System. A massive TV screen displaying the route map dominates the rear wall of the bar area. There's a wide range of nibbles and snacks available throughout the flight. And of course, the bar is extremely well stocked. There's comfortable seating and views not only of the ground below, but also of the massive wings. The meals in business and first class are served on an individual basis rather than from a trolley. The lower deck houses the 3 economy cabins with seating for almost 400 passengers. Crew have their own private rest area at the back of the aircraft. Even on this, the largest of aircraft, there always appears to be a queue for the toilets. On either side of the first-class bar are the 2 on-board shower spas. They certainly live up to all the hype, offering a selection of toiletries, cloth towels, and a wide range of other amenities, including a hairdryer. The spas are constantly maintained by 2 dedicated crew members. The view from the loo is another television screen displaying the air show. The clever use of mirrors makes the already large spa appear almost palatial. There are other nice touches like underfloor heating. And yes, I did take a shower. And yes, the return to seat light did come on. And no, I didn't. As the sun sets, the mood lighting kicks in. This is said to reduce the effects of jet lag. The mood lighting extends to the bar. It's a spectacular sunset, 10,000 metres above the tropics. In the morning, the touch of a button raises the window blinds. Is the world's largest passenger aircraft subject to turbulence? For an hour and a half between Sydney and Auckland, I would say it was. I'm not sure how this turbulence would be classified, mild or moderate chop. However, I was glad I wasn't in the shower. For the most part, it was smooth and very comfortable flying on this fabulous aircraft.